LT out front, there it is. Holder 3, hits the outside wall. They get the infield, there goes Lynn Holder 2. And short course style going on with Cavalier and Geneva. You have to look on the inside, off camber corner. Hold up, Higgins right there. There he goes, different crosses. Wow! What a move out for Higgins. Right in the middle between two short course trucks. 1, 2, and 3 now losing sight of each other for stadium trucks. I think that'll beat him up versus Cavalier. Then in the infield they go. Low right Cavalier. There's some. Oh, nice shot. Good eye. Off-camber. Helping the off-camber. Will help land a big double. Help land. There we go. That's clear. 1:15 in. LT gets caught up. Oh, and Holder has some trouble. That's for the win. Little help the off-camber. Off-camber corner, not a difficult one to take, but definitely difficult for corner also to get to. And Alex is backing off there. Nice landing out of Holder. Holder trying to chase down LT. A lot of green in this main event. Except if you're Higgins or Howard. Holder through the left section. Only about 20 feet back from Lance Taylor. Coming up to the big double jump. Holder swing it wide. Lady getting on that front stretch. Nice smooth landing for Holder. Through the left up, able to hop over on the outside line with E4 to go. Oh, going to the infield. Careful getting the infield. That's turn 1, so that changes things. That's going to do a Holder up front. Taylor drops back to the 2. Good stuff in the team by Marion Higgins Cavalier. Actually, both in the stadium truck, got Taylor, Holder, Marion. In short course, meet him a lead that battle. Followed by Cavalier and Howard. Actually, Higgins shoots for stadium truck. Double jump. I don't know what everything is like. They're looking at the first pitch. They're pulling the foot. That's this clear. 145 down. Cubs showing the off-camber again. Off-camber. LT out front. Down the straight. Allen Holder not too far off. Neva moving the short course stuff around. Looks like we have 2 of Lance Taylor's vehicles out here. White, green, and yellow. Neva piloting that thing very damn well. Careful getting on the front straight. Careful getting on the front.
Okay?
1 minute left.
Higgins Vito battle for position on the track. You guys like sections and racing each other. Again, a lot of go to Higgins. 45 seconds on the master clock. Let's see, LT out front. Holder 2. And here comes the big double jump. Oh, there it is. Not quite. LT trying to defend his spot. Nice landing. Holder with some trouble at the double. Oh, he's got the do-over. Major do-over. So half a lap of damage now to Lance Taylor. Oh, that was feel the dealer. Feel it now. Stop letting me in, guys. Stop letting me in. Allen Holder has that. That could have been an awesome last lap adding and setting up stadium truck. Again, stadium truck will be Taylor, Holder, and Higgins. Make your way to the podium. Short course will be Biedema, Cavalier, Howard. Biedema, Cavalier, Howard. Basically, everybody's on the podium. Podium, guys, everybody on the podium. Alan, podium. Make that, podium. Yeah, you're making our Facebook there.
One minute left.
Almost interlocking wheel and weight there.
45 seconds left.
Chauffeur Anderson.